Hey friends, if you encounter the unexpected kernel mode trap error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, first of all, you need to check the newly installed hardware or software products. What do I mean by this? If you connected any software product which has the capacity of pushing their own drivers to the system, like a printer, a scanner, a camera, or any such device, then try removing it to isolate the cause, and the same goes for software. How would you remove software products? Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the apps tab on the list on the left hand side, select installed apps, sort by date installed, check the latest installed apps. Is any one of them suspicious, like any one of them a third party app which is not reliable? Then remove it. Next one is to update all device drivers. Now, how would you update all device drivers at once? Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side, select advanced options, click on optional updates, expand this. If you find any optional update here, click on download and install. The next solution is to use the memory diagnostic tool on your system. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command mdsched and hit enter to open the Windows Memory Diagnostic tool. Click on restart now and check for problems. And lastly, use an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.